Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Google Play Store is not working in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your Google Play Store is not working, it's not downloading apps, it's not opening, or any issue with your Play Store app, so let's see how can you fix that. So the very first thing, I recommend you have to keep a long press on your Play Store app, click on this info button here, scroll down, go to storage, click on clear cache, and then click on clear data. And once you have done, it will clear all the temporary files and junk files from your Google Play Store which might having issues with launching or downloading of your Play Store. And once you have done, the issue might have been fixed. Now the first opening of your app might take a few moments. You just have to wait for this. Once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. But if it's still not fixed your issues, you can go to settings, scroll down, go to device care, and in device here just select storage, and in storage you have to make sure that you have enough storage in your phone, like almost 15 to 20 GB free with your internal storage to download and install any app as well without any error. And once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. But if it's still not fixed your issue, you can go to Play Store. If your Play Store is opening, so you can try the one more thing. Just click on this profile icon here, scroll down, go to settings, click on about, click on update Play Store. Under Play Store version, click on update Play Store. It will check if there will be any pending update for your Play Store. So once you updated your Play Store, your issue might have been fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to go to settings and go to software update. Make sure that your phone software is up to date. Click on check for updates here. If there is any pending software update, it might be downloads and installed on your phone. Once you have done, before you retry to open your Play Store app, I recommend the one more thing you can try. Keep a long press on your Play Store, click on this info button or eye icon here, click on force stop. You have to make sure that you are not clicking this disable option. Just click on force stop, click OK. Now once you have done, before you retry to use your Play Store, scroll down in control center, click on this power icon, click on restart and try to make a restart with your phone. Click on this restart icon again. It will make a restart with your phone. And once you have restarted, your issues will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.